Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome yet to another vlog. Yeah, if you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, and join the family. Join the family, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime when I'll be uploading a video, miss. Yes, this is me. Summer's frustration morning. Yeah, I wanted to vlog, but my mics hazikuwa na hazikuwa zina work. I didn't charge. Yes. Nilibuy mics. Yeah, I bought mic because there was a video yenye nilikuwa nimefanya but sauti yangu haikuwa poa, so I decided let me buy some mics, of course. Hata sijaizitumia. This was the first time I was using them, but unfortunately venye nilizinunua nikazieka the same way. Imagine.
So unfortunately,
Same
my mics,
way.
they are not working.
Yes, sikuzi charge. I mean, zilikuwa na charge the time nilibuy, but hii time nilikuwa nataka kuzitumia, yeah, because I was arranging. Yes, I was moving out. Yeah, I was moving out, but unfortunately my mics, they were not working, so nika feel frustrated. Hata sijui nilikuwa nafanya nini hapa. Yeah, those are the mics. I can't remember where I bought it, but it was in Dubai. Yeah, somewhere in Dubai. Yeah, I bought them in Dubai. Yes. Yes, baby. I bought them in Dubai. Yeah, because actually, yeah, this time I was in Dubai. Yeah, I think I'm still in Dubai. Yeah, but I was moving out. Yeah, so
These are my mics.
Short, you'll be having more videos. Yes, I'm relocating. It's a surprise. Yes, from Dubai to a new place, and that is me. By the way, nilikuwa nimepanga bags. I think I had how many bags? Oh my god, like 7 or 8 bags. Yes. 7 to 8 bags. Yeah, nyingi nilikuwa nimepanga in a previous day. Yeah, ni kibeti yangu na imechapa. Hey, ni mzee. Yeah, that one. Hiyo designer bag, acha na hiyo ingine. Ingine ni ya chochoro za Dubai. Yeah. But that brown kibeti imekaa, it's have like, is it 7? Yeah. No, not 7. 5 years. Yes, imagine. Ndio inaambiangwa enyewe kitu expensive nzuri na original ni nzuri imekaa, but actually natafuta hizo kamba zimechapa sana, so I'm searching for some. If you know, or if you know any shop yenye naweza buy hizo kamba, sijui kama nitaichukua tena. Yeah, this is me editing this video. Yeah, because sikuwa na mic, so I was just doing my things, recording, but I was not talking. Yeah, because my mics, they are not working. Yeah, this is the kibeti I'm talking about. Yeah, hizo kamba za juu. Yeah, the kibeti is still intact, but hizo kamba za juu zimechapa. So if you know, or if maybe unajua mtu mse anaweza ni niuzia, please just comment down below there and I'll be happy. Na nitamtag hapo, so please, if you know someone mwenye anaweza ni help. Yeah, this is me, kafupi me. Oh my god. That was my don't even go there. I forgot that there is camera. So I was doing my things. Yeah, so na arrange hapo hivyo. Yeah, I told you before, hizo bag zote zenye unaona hapo nyingi ziko arranged na wana vitu nyingi, so I arranged I think 2 or 3 weeks